It's me, Mario!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southwestern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, south central Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southwestern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, south central Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 8:15. The thunderstorm will be near Deal Island around 7:40 p.m. Princess and around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Deal Island around 7:40 p.m. 2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Dorchester, and Wycomico. Virginia, Rappahannock River, until 9 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles northwest of Irvington, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windmill Point, Nassau Ox Reef, Lower Bernard Island, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Mantua Tea Reef, Irvington, Gwynns Island Reef, Urbana Inlet, Tangier Island, Anglers Reef, Smith Point, Stingray Point, Hole in the Wall, Onancock Inlet, Occeanic Reef, Watts Island, Longs Creek Inlet, Whitestone Bridge, and San Marcos Wreck. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official national. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake, the Little Creek, Virginia, York River, until 10 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near Gwynns Island, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, Nassau Ox Reef, Wolf Trap, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Latimer Shoal, Plantation Light, Mobjack Bay, Gwynns Island Reef, Crypto Peak Concrete Ships, Coleman Bridge, Tuesday Marshes Light, Hole in the Wall, York Spit Reef, Buoy 36, The Hub, The Cell, Cherry Stone Reef, and Cabbage Patch. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Title information. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia, York River, until 10 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near Winds Island, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, Nassau Ox Reef, Wolf Trap, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Latimer Shoal, Plantation Light, Mobjack Bay, Quinns Island Reef, Chippewa Concrete Ships, Coleman Bridge, Tuesday Marshes Light, Hole in the Wall, York Skip Reef, Bowie 36 Hump, Basalt, Cherry Stone Reef, and Cabbage Patch. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Feels like I've known you my whole life, but nothing more than friends this whole time.